if you are struggling with the anti-turn, which I still struggle with myself, especially in the clockwise direction, here's the drill. Instead of, you do one hand turns like this, where you're practicing turning with it to get more comfortable keeping it flat and feeling what that tempo feels like. And then what I recommend people do is this. With the two of them together, what you do is, I would say, turn against it, turn against it. Oh wait, my plane. So let's say your plane is going really wonky like this. Okay, turn with it again, get control of it, then turn against it, turn against it. Oh, my plane is going wonky. Turn with it, turn with it, turn with it. Okay, then turn against it, up. And then at the moment your plane is getting wonky, turn with it. And you keep alternating so that you get increasingly comfortable with the horizontal element of those turns. If you get to a point where you're really wonky like this, where one of them's, like my left hand is almost vertical. So if you go back this way and it's sort of ish okay, just give yourself the gift of one full time around to feel the nice in-turn version. Oh, sorry, one full time around feeling the nice in-turn version before you go back to the anti-turn.